So here she is, the Evolink 158 in XL. Come up really nice. Lyrik sitting nicely on the front there. All the bars set up. Nice cockpit area. Ready to roll for the ride. I'm planning on getting rid of that tyre. I'm going to make a Kydex guard there, which I had on my old bike. It's a thermoplastic, so that'll go soon. Same with these stay protectors at the back here. They're just temporary until I get some proper ones. But yeah, really happy with how it come up. It was actually pretty easy in the end. The shock at the rear is a Monarch Plus. It's a 216 by 63, so the old standard measure rather than the metric measure that they do for a lot of shocks now. Pretty impressed with this dropper post as well, how well it's come up after the service. It is crisp. So yeah, can't wait to get out for a spin on this soon. Yeah, she's gonna ride very nicely, I think. So yeah, I'll keep you updated after the first ride.